Uh, Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's user guide webinar for the membership admin applet. Um, I will be walking you through everything you need to know about the membership admin applet, how you can manage your members, configure the membership classes, handle loyalty points, and much more. So by end of this session, you're able to understand and navigate the membership admin applet, create and manage members with full details, set up member classes and labels, and configure the point currency and the conversion rate, and can generate membership reports and bulk upload the member data. So to give you the overview of the navigation bar on the left side, we have the membership listing where you're able to see the member. You can view, search, add, or edit each of the member. And then we have the member class. So here you can create a member class based on your requirements, like defining it as a silver, gold, and platinum. And then you have the member level. Here you can tag or categorize the members. And then you have the level list, member level list, where you can create group levels into organized list. So here you can have the member level and member group name, and can have the labels inside it. And then we have the point currency module, PTSCCY, and define the point currency. So you can have multiple point currency. And then you have the PTS point to currency config. So this is where you can set up the conversion rate. And then you have the membership report generator, where you can generate the member report based on your need and able to view the reports. And then you have the upload membership. Here you can upload member master data. So if you are migrating from other platform where you have already have the member information, you can bulk upload this information. And then you have the transaction, where you can upload the point transactions of each members. So I will go through some details for each menu. First is the member listing. Using the search bar here, you can search based on the card number, the member name, on the specific branch, the class, join date, and by search bar or the postal code. So based on the various data, you can search from the member listing. So using the creating plus button, you can create a new member and you're able to see after creating in the listing. So on the existing created member, you're able to update their information, like the details of their birth, their member class, their e-invoice details, their member photos. Then you can link them to the created levels, and then you're able to see their point transactions based on the selection of the point currency and their current balance. And then you're able to see their point expiry, and then you can upload any of attachment like PDF images or Word doc file for this specific member. And then you can see the referrals, if the member invited someone or if the member invited by someone, you can see that referrals information from this referrals menu. And then we have the MLM, which is similar to the multi-level marketing. Using the program of the multi-level marketing, by selecting, you can see the upline and downline of the member. And if you want to suspend this member, you can use the member suspension menu, where you can provide the start date and end date of the suspension for that specific member. So that's how you can use the membership each member details and their information into your system. And then we have the member class. Inside the member class, you can create, as mentioned, it's simple. You can have the silver, gold, platinum, or whatever structure fits your business. So you can create it and you're able to see the created member class. And then we have the label where you're able to you're able to tag the members, something flexible. You can attach to members for any kind of categorization. So you create the labels, and then after creating the label, you can link members to that labels. Then we have the member list. You are grouping all the labels. So this is something, one upper level of labeling. So here you can create the label list, and then you, under that label list, you can add multiple labels. So you are grouping the labels using the member label list. Then we have the point currency module, where you can define the types of point currency your loyalty program uses or your member will have. So you can create a new currency based on your need and can provide the conversion rate and can select is this point currency is convertible or not. This also can be configurable. So you can edit existing point currency and then can update the rate and everything. So just a short tips: whenever you are creating the member point, make sure you provide the correct member code, member point currency code, membership point currency code, because later on you will not able to modify that code. So next is points to money conversion, where this is where you can configure how many loyalty points equal how much money. For example, 100 points equal to 1 ringgit. These conversion rates are used across the system when member redeem points for redeems point when they are purchasing anything. So you can create, edit, and manage multiple conversion configuration. So for creating, you just need to select the point currency, and then the conversion rate, and then the money currency. And then after creating, you also can edit it. Next is a membership report. So based on the criteria from the join date from to, you can select those date frame, and then you're able to generate the report. So based on your selected or choosing date, you will able to generate the report. So after you select the date, you just click the generate CSV and then able to see the generated report and can download it. And then we have the bulk upload. For business with a large existing member base, you don't have to create members one by one. You can upload your membership. So we already providing the simple format. You just need to download it and provide the information and then upload it. The system will automatically create those members for you. So after uploading the member, you might have the historical point transaction data. You also can bulk import the point transaction. So you need to download the template and then need to fill the information, then upload it, and that system will automatically create those point transactions for each member based on the information you provided. So these all are the core features. So whenever you are using the membership admin applet, it will allow you to help you on managing the members, and your member class and the point currency will have to reward the members. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.